It's Matthew again, and today is 10th of October 2022. As promised earlier, we promised to give out a free automated trading boats, the derivative automated trading boats. They are 100% free and they are new boats. You won't get them anywhere. I just finished programming this boat and test running them. So the boats are out today, and we've created an ebook. So all the informations are on the ebook. As you can see, this is a link where the ebook is posted on the Google Drive, so we've made this link public so anyone with the link can download it. We're also going to paste this link in the video decision on YouTube, so check this video decision on YouTube to download the ebook. Then in the ebook you can see what the ebook contains. It contains the free binary options trading boats. You can see the 4 boats right there. They are new. I just created the boats. They are new and I've test run the boats. They are very, very effective. And this is a link to sign up for a free trading account. For those who don't have a trading account yet, just click on this link to sign up for a free trading account. And to download the ebook, this is a link. All the links are in the ebook. So once you click on this link, it's going to take you to the Google Drive where we uploaded the boat as well. The boat is also on the Google Drive. So once you click on the link to download the boat, it's going to take you to the Google Drive. So all you have to do is just click on the download button. Is going to open in another tab, then you'll be able to download the boat freely, extract it. You will see 4 boats there and the trading guide as well, the installation guide. So you can see other informations as well. We included the top trading strategies. All our top trading strategies are also included in the ebook as well. So don't forget to subscribe to all our channels as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.